guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Aazizah. I have not posted it in a few months, or like a month, but what's new, people? I'm here though. We're doing it. We're doing a room tour today. The video was kind of actually like really requested, so I thought, okay, like I'll do one. I did redo my room ever since I did my last room tour, which was really cringy and disgusting. Now I just feel like I can redeem myself because my room is so much cooler now. I'm so proud of it. Yeah, so before we get started, make sure to follow my social medias. They're gonna be down below in the description box, and they're gonna be here on the screen. They'll be on the screen for you guys right here. Instagram, Twitter, all that stuff. That's the tea, sis. That's the tea. Hope you guys enjoy. Yeah, we'll see you guys at the end of the video. So this is what you see as soon as you walk into my room. So we can do like an overview. Yeah, this is the first thing that you see. So obviously you see my bed and my beautiful, beautiful mirror. So I guess we'll just start like right here. So if you like walk next to my door, so right next to my door I have this clock that I got from Amazon, my little Kanken bag that my friend got me for Christmas, and then I have like 3 Polaroids. I apologize if my voice is disgusting, it's kind of late. Yeah, so I have my 3 Polaroids, just like ones I thought were cute, and then I have my ratchet plant that doesn't like to stay up. So this plant is from IKEA. It's like one of those hanging plants. I mean, it's like staying up, but it looks so ratchet right now. I'm so sorry about that. Then right here I have my school backpack. My school backpack usually is downstairs, but I have to do all my homework in my room tonight, so it's just sitting right there just to be like cute and whatever. This is also Kangen. So cute. It's my baby. Here we have my tapestry, which I've had forever. And then I just put some like little twinkly VSCO lights around it. And then we have this little mirror right here. There's so many mirrors in my room. I know, I swear I don't really like look at myself like that, but like, yeah, I just have so many mirrors. This is like, this mirror was here before that mirror. And my plant fell. Okay, that's great. Next thing over here, when you go over to my cute little bed, my bed is probably my favorite part of my room. It really just like makes my room. We'll start at my bedside table. So here I just keep a bunch of miscellaneous stuff. Kind of dirty, I'm so sorry about that. Then I have this little candle right here from Amazon, my chapstick, which I keep right here always. My Alexa, hey girl. I have this rock that I got from Target, and then this aromatherapy spray from Bath and Body Works, and it's called Comfort. Is it gonna focus? It smells so good. Like, I like to spray it in my bed when I fix it before I like put the covers over, so when I come back to get in my bed, it smells amazing. Moving on to my bed. My bed is from Wayfair, and I finally have a bed. I'm just so excited about this whole entire thing because I had a bed when I first moved here, and then me and my friends, we all got on it and it broke, and I didn't have one for like 2 years straight up. I had to have like a bed frame, and it was always like hitting me, and it was like terrible. So I got this one finally, and then I got these little twinkly lights from Amazon. Yeah, Amazon is cute right there. And then these pillows are a mixture of, I think I got these pillowcases from Amazon. This pillowcase right here. These pillowcases are from IKEA. These pillows are from Amazon, and that's from IKEA. So those two. Amazon is really slept on, I feel like, when it comes to bedding and decorations and for your room, because I got a lot of the stuff from Amazon. So yeah, when you look up, you have this cute little greenery decoration, which I took inspiration from Hannah Maloche. I have to say that because every time someone comes in my room, they're like, oh my gosh, did you steal it from Hannah Maloche? I didn't steal it, okay? I like took inspiration. I think there's a difference in that. I just thought it was so cute. She has like one like hanging like right above her bed. I DIY'd this too. I just took a bunch of vines and like command strip things and just like hung it up, and it just like looked like that. It looked really cute. So yeah, this is my whole entire bed. It's such a vibe. It's just really cute. And then I have my computer right here. In front of my bed, I have this like rug I got from Target a long time ago, and then I have my Fila's that I just put right here because it's really cute and aesthetic. Here, this is my favorite part as well. So I have my big mirror, which I got from IKEA. Lights are from Where are they from? They're from Amazon as well, and this plant is from Amazon as well. This is my favorite thing I got from Amazon because I feel like if I got this from somewhere else, it would have been way more expensive. This one I got for like maybe 30 bucks, and then I got the little tin can like pot from IKEA. I just love this area. It's so cute to take pictures by, or to take pictures with. So adorable. I love it when I have a cute outfit. Always up here taking pictures. I'm really proud of myself for like making this whole thing right here. I really am. Over here we have just miscellaneous things that I just have, but I tried to make look decent. I got this drawer, this like dresser from Wayfair when I got my bed. My mom like wanted to get it for me, and it was supposed to be like a bedside table, but I wanted my other bedside table, which is from Target. That gold block is from Target, but this is from Wayfair. And I have just like a cute little plant. So I have this plant right here, and it's from Amazon, and it was like so cute. It was like a little set, so you could make like little plants, and like you put the rocks in and the plant, and then like the little quotes on it with little like tin cute holders. And then I got this what is it? It's like a jewelry holder. I literally can't think. It's like so late, but this is from Target. I got this a long time ago. And then I have just like random stuff, like stuff I feel like I need that if I need really quickly, I don't want to like look for it. So I have this little puffball thing for my key, and then I have a nail clipper, and then I have this little plant from IKEA, and then I have my sunglasses case, one of my sunglass case, and then some like scissors for your like nails, I think. Here I have my records. So I don't have any records. I'm not like cool like that. Like I just have a bunch of random stuff. Mostly it's Justin Bieber, but I have like J. Cole and like Drake, 1975, and then like more Justin Bieber. And I really love this like record holder. I think it was like a magazine holder, but I just put my records on it. Right here I just keep my old computer and then my computer case. Oh, and then over here is just like a bunch of like random stuff. And I got this cute little holder thing from IKEA, and I just like keep random stuff right there. So then here we have another mirror, and this one holds dear sentimental value to me because I've had this whole furniture set since I was a baby. Like I was born, so it looks a little bit crazy, but it's really old, but it's still going. I have this mirror, and I just put some cute little vines around it. Oh, I like the vines. These are the same vines that are used right there, but I just took some extra ones and put it like on my mirror. Here we have a cute little quote thing. I have a little plant from IKEA. Right here we have my sunglasses. So this thing is the best thing ever because I don't have anywhere to put my glasses. I don't like to have them like just sitting there. I just wanted to have like a little case to have them in. So I just got this thing from Amazon, and it has all my sunglasses, or like most of them. Some of them are like out of it. But here we have my jewelry, and I got these jewelry holders from Urban Outfitters, I believe. I got them for Christmas one year. I have all my jewelry. Most of my jewelry is gold, but I just keep my necklaces, anklets, all these things. Rings usually go down here, but this is a little bit messy right now. And then I have this plant which came from like that set. And I have my scrunchies and stuff. This like choker that I have not worn forever, but my perfumes usually go right here if they fit. Kind of random, but not at the same time. And then right here I just have a little decoration of a bee. And then I have more Polaroids of me and my cute little friends. And then that brings me to my Polaroid wall, which is, you know, a work in construction. I still had to put like 10 more right here for it to look like okay. But this is just like my Polaroid wall. I love this wall. It makes me happy. I cannot wait to have it like all the way down there. Then it's gonna look like really cute. But yes, and then over here I love this part of my room as well because it's just, ooh, it's very calming. Just like looking at it, it's just so relaxing. Over here I have my salt lamp, which I got from Amazon, and then I have my candle, which I also got from Amazon, and this one is called Vanilla Oak, and it smells so good. I recommend soy candles so much. They're so nice. They smell good. They last a long time. It's bomb. And then right here I have a little picture of me and my friend. And then right here I have this plant which I got from IKEA. We have my record player, which I love so much. I don't really listen to it anymore, but it's just, I love it. And then I have my the 1975 vinyl in here, and I keep this one in here because it's so cute. It's clear. And then up here I have these quotes that I got from Target. It's really nice reminders, and they're really cute and aesthetic. And then right here I have this like plant. I think I got like 2 years ago, but I just like put that right there. Those like cute little like flowers, filler flowers. They're dead, but I don't know. Yeah, I really like them. So that's that. And then over here is just also some miscellaneous stuff. I literally forgot to show you guys my drawers. LOL. So over here, this dresser, I just have like my undies and stuff. And then right here I have like sweatshirts and shirts and stuff, and it's so packed. I'm not like the most organized person when it comes to this. So I have my pants and sweatpants and whatever. I just like remember where everything is, which is like so weird. But yeah, here's just like miscellaneous stuff. So I have like hats. I keep hats in here usually. And then here I keep just like athletic clothes. And then right here is my miscellaneous drawer where I just keep stuff that's like sentimental, sort of. Here is like my corner, my tripod's right here. And then I have my suitcase. And then right here is my closet, but I'm not gonna show you guys that because you guys will judge me in a whole nother level. It's so messy and it's really not okay. I really don't know what to do. I'm panicking. So maybe I'll do a video on stuff because I have so much stuff to donate. So maybe I'll do like a donation, like cleaning out my closet, like tour thing. I don't know, but yeah. And then in this drawer, miscellaneous, we can't even show that drawer. This drawer's like broken, but this one I just cleaned out, and I just have a bunch of cute shirts in here. Just cute shirts. Since this drawer is broken too, but I just have like jeans in there. Here, I have like this little hallway thing, which leads to my bathroom, and I just keep like my towels on this stool and like my blanket. But right here is my bathroom, and having a bathroom that's connected to your room is the best thing ever. So thumbs up if you have a bathroom that's connected to your room. We love that. Yeah, this is my bathroom. I tried to make it as aesthetically pleasing as possible. I really did. I just wanted to look really nice, and this is like as nice as it gets. I think it looks pretty nice. But I have this towel right here, which I got from Target. This towel is from Target. Most of this stuff is from Target. Toothbrush holders from Amazon. So yeah, I have my face washes and stuff, my moisturizers, and then I have my lotions, and I have like my sprays and stuff, and then I have my makeup. And I want to do a makeup collection, but I just feel like I don't have that much. But I do at the same time, but not like that much to do a makeup collection video, because every time I see makeup collection videos, they have so much. But like, yeah. Here I have just like miscellaneous stuff that I use every single day in these cute little bins. Shower. So yeah, that's basically my bathroom. Yeah, let me see. So yeah, I think that is it for my room. Cute. All right guys, so that is the end of my room tour. I'm really so lazy. I really don't feel like doing the whole YouTube setup, so I'm on my little tripod. So it's like a vlog or whatever. But I hope you guys enjoyed that. I enjoyed making it for you guys. It was so fun. So let me know if you want to see me like organize my closet, because that is such a needed thing I need to do, and I just feel like I kind of want to film it. So if you guys want to see that, I can definitely do that for you guys. Yeah, so that is the end of today's video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Turn my post notifications on so you guys will know every time I post, and follow me on Instagram and Twitter. So love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.